Good morning mga mahal kong Sismars! September is our month to rise to the top. That's why today gagawin natin ang Can't Say No Challenge with September Top 5 Picks. Let's start! First challenge natin with our Top 1 featuring Avon Care Naturals Lotion and Feeling Fresh Quelch Deo Creams that makes us number 1 dahil talaga namang sulit at effective. Challenge accepted tayo dyan, of course. Whew! Pawis na pawis, pero still fresh thanks to Feeling Fresh Deo Cream at Avon Care Naturals Lotion. Alagang number 1 lotion brand yan. Sulit at effective pa ang Avon Care Naturals Lotion. At Feeling Fresh Quelch Deo Creams for confidence that lasts all days. Top 2 challenge. Fight with the new Dream Curve Amaya Non-Wire Bra. Ang dali gumalaw para talagang unan sa lambot. Walang wire pero super supportive. Say yes now with Dream Curve Amaya Bra. Achieve na achieve ang challenge ko today kaya naman ready na ako sa third challenge. Ito na ang top 3. Dahil number 1 fragrance brand tayo in the world, aba syempre, hindi ko pwedeng tanggihan ang ating challenge for today's video. I'm gonna hug 4 of our Sismars dito sa branch na to sa Tanawan, Batangas at huhulaan ko lang naman ang kanilang fragrance. Ay, ang bango! Ang bango, delicate floral scent. Parang ready na akong ma-fall in love. Ito ba ay Sweet Honesty Classic? And ito nga ang ating Sweet Honesty Classic. Grabe, floral fruity woody ang naaamoy ko. Parang magical spark pag in love. Is this Sweet Honesty Magic? Mga naman, Sweet Honesty Magic. Ang bango! Grabe, naaamoy ko yung floral citrus. Perfect to cherish those sweet moments. Ito ba ang Sweet Honesty Moments?
Yes!
Ay, tama! Sweet Honesty Moments. Ay, floral fresh yung naaamoy ko. Parang natagpuan ko na ang Forever Love. Gagamitin ko nga yan pag naghanap na ako. Ito ba ay Sweet Honesty Forever, Sismars?
Yes po.
Yes! Ayan, yes na yes. This is Sweet Honesty Forever. Top 4 naman, featuring our Simply Pretty Matte Lipstick and Shine No More Pressed Powder. Yes to prettiness in 5 seconds. Ang ganda ng combo na to. Mabilis, maganda, madali, at fresh look agad. Let's go! Now, time for our final challenge, featuring Ultra Pressed Powder and Blush. Dahil ultra ang ganda ko, gusto ko kasama ko ang pressed powder and blush. Yes to glam shots! Kaya naman kahit anong challenge pa yan, ready to rise to the top with the Avon Top 5 Picks this September.